Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, welcome. My name is Prestige P. Oh, I feel so pretty. Like, I always feel pretty, but this makeup look turned out very well. Like, I didn't, the way how it started out, I edited that part out. But you guys know, if you are a makeup creator, you know it's a struggle when you put it on, but when it's done, it looks damn good. Okay, look at my eyes, look at my whole entire makeup. Like, look at these lashes. Like, are you kidding me? Either way, I just want to show you guys how I create this look. This is going to be another Valentine's Day makeup tutorial. This is a very neutral, I think it's very neutral and very kind of like everyday into the night, I hope. But this is really nice for Valentine's Day. This is also beginner friendly because I only use one palette and I only use 3 shades, and this is from the Juvia's Place palette. This is the only thing I use, nothing else, only 3 colors, and I'm done. And you guys could create this at home. So make sure you subscribe before we start this video. Turn on your bell because I do upload Monday through Friday. And yeah, we're gonna jump right in. Okay guys, so I am up close and personal. I don't know if I like this lens. This is I have the 50mm lens on. It's still giving me a headache. I'm not in love with this lens at all. I don't know. And you guys, if you guys have any recommendation of like good ass lens, it's like, I don't know, my lighting is coming in and out. I don't know what's going on right now. All right, okay, so you guys know that I always start with the eyes, and I bring that concealer all the way down to my eyelid. So we're gonna do another another Valentine's Day makeup look. Yes, we are. So I'm gonna jump in and I'm gonna take my Sacha Buttercup and I'm gonna go ahead and set that lid. And if you guys are loving my uploads daily, give me a thumbs up, give me a heart, let me know if I'm doing a good job, because you know, I want YouTube to be my full-time career. You know, all that YouTube guru shit going on. I don't know, maybe. Let's see what go on, but pretty much I am doing a good job uploading daily. So give me a thumbs up if you like me uploading daily. So I'm gonna go into the Sahara by Juvia's Place palette, and as you guys saw from the intro that I'll be doing a natural everyday kind of like holiday Valentine's Day look. This is for beginners, so this is really easy for you guys to do, and I'm going to show you how I create that one. First, I'm going to go into the Juvia's Place palette, and I'm going to take this shade right here. This one is called Jamela. Nice cool tone brown shade, and I'm going to go ahead and just focus it. I'm going to bring it a little bit up because as you guys saw, I'm doing a cut crease. So I'm going to bring it, if this camera could focus on me, I'm going to bring it a little bit up over my crease and just kind of slightly pat it on and blend it at the same time. So this is pretty easy for beginners. So if you have this palette, by the way, is very cheap. Going to Ulta, I think it's for $6. So you guys can do this with me and create this look. Take this color right here, tap it, use it onto a fluffy brush, but not too fluffy and not too big. Start from the outer corner like this and then bring it in. And as you guys know that I like to bring my shadows into the bridge of my nose because I think it just looks so cute. So I'm just gonna go ahead and do that. And sorry guys in advance if my camera keep focusing in and out. As I said, I'm using a new lens and I don't really know about this one. I just stick to the Eva that I know. And then I'm going to change my brush. I'm going to take another brush, but it's still fluffy, but it's smaller. And then I'm going to go into this shade right here. This one is called Sokoto. And make sure you always tap your brush off. Okay, tap it off. This one, I'm going to focus it right into the crease. Right here. And I'm also going to bring this in, but most of the color is going to be on the outer corner. So I know that you can't really see the first shade much, so I'm going to go ahead after I finish this color and just go back and blend it in. And as you guys know that if you have a darker skin tone, it shows up a little bit darker and you have to kind of work it more, like pack it up more than someone who is lighter than you. So if you are darker than me or like the same complexion and you see somebody else using this which is way lighter and it shows up way brighter, don't be alarmed. Okay, it's just the way how our skin tone is. So I don't really mind if it's not showing up that bright on me. I don't care as long as it shows up. Okay, so in natural lighting it will show up more, but on camera it shows up a little bit darker, because when I'm looking at my mirror I can see all the colors, like every single one of them, but on camera you really can't see that top part. Okay, so just keep on blending, but don't go overboard. So now I'm gonna take my concealer, and this one is the Colourpop in the shade Dark 44, and I'm just gonna put a little bit onto the back of my hand. So I'm gonna take this flat one right here, and I'm just gonna go ahead and just put a little bit onto the brush, and then I'm gonna go ahead and do a cut crease, but I'm gonna bring it all the way out. So I'm not gonna be talking in this part because you gotta be steady. Okay guys, so I bring it a little bit in and I put it all the way down, I mean all the way out, but don't worry, when I put on my concealer I'm gonna cut it so that it have a nice sharp look, as you guys saw from the intro. So but it was a struggle, I need to get myself a really good cut crease brush, because this shit ain't working. It ain't working. I had to change my brush so many times. If I wasn't editing this video, you will see all the mistake I did, all the mistake. All right, so I'm gonna go into what I'm gonna go into. I'm gonna go into a nice, like a really subtle shade, and the one that I'm looking at is called Zoya, Z-O-Y-A. It's a champagne shimmery color. See, my camera just not focusing. It's not. Don't worry, I'm just using that lens for the face. For the eyes, I'm gonna change it out later. Okay, so sorry about the not focusing part. But I'm gonna take this shade right here and I'm gonna put it onto a flat brush, and I did not set that crease, so I'm gonna go ahead and just tap it on. Okay, I wish you guys could have seen me in person. This color, oh my god, it looks so damn good. So I'm gonna take a smaller brush and I'm gonna tap into this shade right here, and I'm gonna focus that right onto the top, because as I said, the lining is kind of crooked. So I'm just gonna go ahead and fix it. All right, so next I'm gonna go into my Garnier Miracle Cleansing Water, and this is really good for taking off your makeup, especially eyeshadows. So I'm just gonna go ahead and put it right onto that napkin, and I'm gonna go ahead and just just wipe it up. Okay guys, so as you can see how I cut it, oh, it looks so damn sharp, and I'm not even finished, you know, cleaning it up. So all right, so what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna take my mascara and I'm gonna go ahead and just do my lashes. All right, so lashes is on. This lash I am testing out. This one is not on my website. It kind of looks similar to Damn Girl, but it's not. And if you guys can see it, it's a little bit spacey and like fluffy. You know, this is like spider web in your face lash. Pretty though, I like it. So if you like this kind of lash and you are kind of girl that like over the top dramatic lashes, let me know if you want me to put it up on my website to, you know, to purchase. Let me know. Let me know. Look at it, so pretty. It's so fluffy, like it's really fluffy. All right, let's get on to the face. Okay, so for the face, I'm gonna go into my NYX Honey Dewy Me Up. I love this. I haven't tried it in a long time. Like, I haven't used this in a very, very, very long time. I'm putting a lot, right? And then I'm just gonna rub it in. And it kind of gives your makeup a kind of nice dewy look. And it's really good for dry skin. As you guys know that I do have dry skin. And everything that I put onto my face is definitely good for dry skin girls and guys. So I'm gonna go ahead and just blend it in. So for foundation, I'm gonna go into the Kat Von D, and I'm in the shade Deep 78 Neutral, and I'm gonna go ahead and put a little bit, even though this kind of look a lot. I always do this. I always put a lot and then have to wipe it off. So I'm gonna go ahead and pack it on. I don't know why, since recently when I put on my makeup, like they're not blended until I finish blending. I don't know, because of the weather. You know, you guys, we are in winter, and I guess my color got lighter or something. But you guys know that I always use this. I have been using this foundation for like 2 years now, and it definitely is my skin tone. But I guess in the winter time it changes. Then I'm going to go ahead and use my Kat Von D concealer, and I picked up the shade D35 Neutral, and I'm going to go ahead and put it right underneath where I normally would have concealed, and I'm going to go ahead and put it right on the line right here, just to cut it to make it look much better. Okay guys, so now I'm going to go into the Fenty, and I'm going to take the shade Butter. You guys know I start using butter to set underneath my eyes, but I'm going to make sure that I blend it properly before I put it on, because you guys know I cannot bake. So next I'm going to take my MAC in NW45, and I'm going to use that just to brush off the excess powder and also to set my face. So next I'm going to go into Mocha Mami. This is the bronzer from Fenty. Where is my brush? Where is my brush? And I'm gonna go ahead and take. So the rest of the powder that is onto the brush, I'm just gonna go ahead and just slide it onto my nose. I'm not gonna do a contour today. As you guys can see, that it kind of give me a little bit of contour, but it doesn't really show that much. I like it like this today. And then I'm gonna go ahead and use my blush. You guys know which one I'm using. I'm not even gonna show you which one I'm using, because if you don't know, you better know. This look is coming together. I love it already. Oh my god, this look is coming together, honey. All right, so I'm gonna take my Mario, spray my face. And then I'm gonna go into my elf before the setting spray kind of soak in. Just gonna go ahead and put a little bit. I'm gonna use this shade right here and just tap it, tap it, tap it. Oh shit, I put a lot as usual. All right, I'll blend that out, don't worry. I'm telling you, for the price of this, oh, the pigmentation is so good. So I'm gonna go in and finish off the bottom lashes. I'm gonna go ahead and take both shades that I take for the first one. So I'm gonna mix them right now, just like that, and just do the bottom. Okay, so for lips, I'm gonna go into this pencil here. It is in the shade Chestnut, and then I'm gonna go into my Colourpop called Speed Dial. I love this so much. It is so nice on my skin. So I'm gonna go ahead and line the lips first. Look at that. This is so pretty on me. I love this lip. I really, really love it. All right. So final step is spraying my face with the Jeffree Star and Morphe. Okay guys, so this is the finished look. Oh my god, I am so in love. Look at my eyelid. Look at my lashes. This looks so damn good, and I put on a head wrap just because I like the way how it look. I'm lying. I just didn't feel like put it on my wig. This is a scarf and I just put it onto my head, but it still look good, right? You can't tell me it don't look good. All right, so this is a nice, ooh, glowy makeup look for Valentine's Day. I know you guys can do it. I know you can do it. And if you do create this look, make sure you tag me on Instagram. I can't stop looking at myself in the monitor. I'm sorry. I'm sorry if I'm looking this way. Oh, she pretty. Oh, she pretty. Ah! All right, guys. So I hope you enjoy. Don't forget to tune in every single day, Monday through Friday. Turn on your bell. Click that subscribe button so you can get notified when I upload. All right. So I'll catch you guys in my next one. Bye.